Hi! If you also have such an unnecessary string of Christmas lights at home, I'll show you how to use them. Of course, you will need the string of lights and, in addition, 2 packs of toy balls, which can be purchased cheaply. In this video, I show you how to make this lantern set. It is important that, if possible, the light string operates at a low voltage and is outdoors. You will also need a drill, but if you don't have one, it can also be done with a simple cutting tool. As a first step, start cutting a circular shape into the balls with a scalpel. Make sure that the edge of the cut does not crack. Untie the bulb line and find the corresponding bulb. Then push it into the cut opening. If you did everything right, it should look like this. However, I chose the more accurate method. I drill a hole with a drill of a specific diameter and push the bulb into it, so the burner will be more stable and insulated. Then, I put the ball on the other bulbs as well. If we notice that the wall of one of the balls is thinner at one point, we drill the hole where the material is thicker, thus avoiding cracks. It is worth buying a few more balls than there are burners on the bulb line, because sometimes the drilling will not succeed. When all the bulbs have been made, roll up the garland for storage so that it doesn't get tangled. I got a 6-meter long string of 40 light bulbs with a 10-meter power cable. And let's see the end result. I think it speaks for itself. Subscribe to my channel for similar content.